What's up guys, so my name is Vineet and we are back again with an amazing review today. So I hope you guys loved the last review about a Rapidbox product, and it was an amazing product guys. So last time it was a shoes and I really loved that, the quality of the product, and I was really amazed by the product also because the price was worth it guys. So seriously I loved the product. So this time we are back again with an amazing other product from Rapidbox. So it is a sneakers, and before getting on to that unboxing, I have to talk to you guys about the Rapidbox. So Rapidbox basically is an app where you guys can go and get yourselves some cool shoes, joggers. They have everything. They have an amazing collection of all the fashion accessories, and you guys can go and get it for a factory sale price guys. So it is an amazing place to go and shop also. And secondly, what is the main advantage is that the shopping experience is really good there. So it is very easy to find your products, and they have some amazing collections also. The shoes and even the clothing, they have some superb collections. So guys, I would recommend you guys to go and check it out, and because it is an amazing app also, and it is very cheap, and the quality of the products are really good also. And one of the most important thing what I was amazed about was that the quality of the product, because you will get the shoes for like 450, maybe 500, because nowadays you won't get a shoe for less than 1000, because even if you're going for a online shop or maybe outside retail outlets or somewhere, you guys can go and check it out, the price will be more than 1000 or 2000 bucks. So here you guys can get it for a factory sale price, and they have the best collection also guys. So the thing what I loved most about this app is you'll get sneakers or shoes or joggers, whatever you want, you'll get it around like 500 to 600 range. So this is it, the Rapidbox. They have some amazing packing, and they have the logo in front itself, as you can see here. So this is the shoes from Rapidbox, and today I'll be unboxing this thing, and after that I'll be doing some styling with this thing. So I'll be trying to put it on my outfits, and I'll show you guys how this fit with different colors and different styles of outfits, so you guys can check that out also. And so without further delay, let's move on to the unboxing and let's get on with the styling guys. So let's move on. So guys, you saw that unboxing of the new cool shoes from Rapidbox. So amazing colors. So as you can see here, the quality of the product is really amazing, and the color, the sole, it's super comfortable and flexible also, and also very breathable also. So this is like, if you're getting this kind of a quality product for around 600 range, it is worth your price. So guys, without further delay, let's move on to the styling and let's check out how I style with this. So let's move on to that. guys liked the video, so I did the styling for you guys. So there were 3 styles, but you can do a lot of styling with these kind of shoes because it is an amazing shoes, and as you can see it was very comfortable, very breathable, very flexible also. So guys, please go check the site out, Rapidbox. Thank you so much.